What is up, Diamond Squad? If you guys are not Diamond here, I'm back here with another video. If this is the first time you see my face, make sure you guys go ahead and click the subscribe button, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Watch my videos all the way through. Also, please check out my other videos, y'all. The recent ones I have done, the Freeman Mask review and the Sonic one, because those are not really getting any views, and YouTube keep messing with my views with those videos. And I don't know why YouTube does that. Like, before YouTube never used to really do that with views, but like, yeah. But yeah, definitely do go check those out. It will be up in the cards until the end card. But yeah, so today I am going to be doing like a mini haul. I know that's what you guys mostly like on my channel, is the hauls. So I'm going to show you guys what I have right now, and then I'm going to show you guys like the Bath and Body Works order that I have to later, because I have to like pick it up. I haven't picked it up yet, but you already know in our Burlington haul. So before I get to like the main event, I end up finding these. I found these like 2 weeks ago, y'all. I've been waiting to add my stuff to this to do a haul video, but yeah, I haven't been finding as much of the viral juicy items as much I would like to. So yeah, it's this one right here, this red, and it has this is very different, because usually they have like the thick strap to hold them, but yeah, I really like it. I have the wallet to this as well. I believe there is a bag for this, because this comes in black and a light pink color, and I believe there's a bag for this going around, which you guys will see in the new release video I'm gonna post. Yeah, that was cute. This was $9.99. It is called Not Your Babe Heart Zip Around. So hopefully that focuses enough so you guys can see that. The next one I picked up was this. Now, the location I got these from, I normally never see these there. I normally see like heart wallets in the location near me. So this is the first time I saw heart wallets in that location. So you already know I had the bag to this and the regular wallet, and I ended up finding it in this. And this was $9.99 as well. And this is Silver Simply Perfect Heart Zip Around. They had like a whole bunch of these. Like, I didn't record it for some reason, but they were stocked up with a whole bunch of heart wallets and stuff. And for the main event, for you say, I found her, y'all. It was only one left. Like, I literally came from work, and like, because I work in the mall, like a store in the mall. I'm not gonna say what store yet, because it's like my new job now. So since Burlington is in that mall as well, I'm like, you know what, let me go check out Burlington after work. And I did. Only one left. I honestly wanted to get this in black the most, but they didn't have any black, so I just picked this one up. And I'm like, you know what, just in case I do find a black one, I might do an exchange, because when I did see this, I didn't really want it in the light pink color, since I have the light pink color in the shoulder bag version. But how stinking cute is this? How stinking cute. And this was $24.99. This is called the Let's Get Cozy Sack Shoulder Bag. So it's super cute, pretty cute. I have been getting lucky with finding the fur bags at my local Burlington and stuff like that, so pretty happy about that. You know, this bag is, it's really nice. Don't get me wrong though, baby pink color in this is really cute. I might just end up keeping this one, and because since I want the tote bag, there's a tote bag in this style. So I want that tote bag in black. If I do happen to find that tote bag in black, then I'll just keep this style in this color and then get the tote bag in black. And I know there's like a small little shoulder bag of it too. That one is really cute. If I end up seeing that, I see in it. But yeah, so that is all I have for right now. Once I get my Bath and Body Works stuff, I will include into this video. And yeah, so this is the next day, I finally got the order from Bath and Body Works. I picked it up today. I ordered it Sunday and I picked it up today. So yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I changed the hair. I decided to go with curly because the curly one, I feel like I can manage it a lot better and it doesn't slide back like the straight one does. So yeah. But I picked up the blueberry bundt cake. I got this one. It was like the sale. I know the sale's over now because I went, like I said, I went to go pick this up today, and I wanted to get the apple and honey one, but the sale was done. So I was like, dang, I should have ordered it with this, but I wasn't thinking at the time. But it smells really good, the apple and honey one. I would recommend getting that. But yeah, I think honestly Bath and Body Works gave me a used one because I don't know if I can see like the swipe there. You can see that. This isn't the first time this happened. You know, like when the customers just come in and trying to smell it, trying to put it on their skin. Yeah, that type of thing. So, and I noticed this after the fact. I reached home, I noticed that. If I had opened it in the store, I would have noticed that by now. But either way, I did look around to see if there was any more of this. There was like perfume maybe. I didn't see this at all, so I'm gonna just assume that they just don't have it in the store anymore. So even though I did, opened it and said something and they could exchange it, they might not even have it to exchange it. So yeah, but this to me honestly smells like the Canvas Beauty body glaze. This is the Blueberry Bay. They smell just alike. So if you didn't get your hands on this, or your store sold out of them, or it's just sold out in general online, just know that Canvas Beauty has a blueberry one that smells exactly the same way. But yeah, I was also supposed to get the hand sanitizer holder. It was like a varsity jacket. But I hate when they put stuff in stock on their website and then when you do an order for pickup, it's saying, oh, they cancel it because they don't have it. That kind of pisses me off because I'm just like, and I use one of my rewards for it. My rewards gave it to me for free, and now I don't have the rewards anymore. So it's just like, don't put the items in stock in your store if it's not there. Like you're fooling people. But yeah, that is basically it. I did go to Burlington today, but I didn't find any new juicy items to include into this, unfortunately. But I think Friday I may go see if there's anything new. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.